Now let's explore the garden next to the kitchen, opposite the front garden. They've really done it very kind of a formal garden, because again, this is a formal house. So I'm imagining when you have all these parties, your guests will come through here and also enjoy the boma section. But all of the lights are coming up now beautifully, and I love the different vegetation. They've planted different colors and different textures plants. You also have some more green space here, so if you have pets and doggies, you enjoy that. I can hear the sound of the waterfall that is by the family room on the other side. And here we've got the boma section, and this is a gas boma, so super easy to turn on and off and enjoy the space, enjoy maybe sitting under the stars later on when it gets darker. Quite a few people can fit in here, completely tucked away behind the house, another tranquil space to have. And that is concluding all the garden spaces in the house. And now we're going to have a quick look at the garages, because people often like to see that, and we're done. This is a 4-car garage, tandem 2x2, so extra depth garage, plenty of space, and then we still have a 5th one. So 5 garages, plenty of space in front of the house, still within your environment, and then more space parking on the street. So a lot. Okay, so we're back to in the front of the house. Plenty of space, also garden space on the side, and also leading to the staff quarters, which is, as I mentioned, we're going to include at the end of the video, but we have a lounge, bedroom, and ensuite bathroom. And just a quick squeeze here, this is the guard room right in front, of course, with a full view of the street.